I'll take a look at room 1311. So as soon as we came in on the right hand side, and of course it's going to depend on the layout of your room because they're left and right, but right on the right you have the room service door. So they would hand the food through the outside door and you could access it through the inside, which is kind of cool. However, the outside door, for whatever reason, hasn't been locked. It just opens. And a couple times we've come into our room after the maid's cleaned it and she leaves it this way. She doesn't lock it. I don't know if it's on purpose or if it's by mistake, but you can obviously see that there's an issue there. Not good. So to the left is the bathroom. You have double sinks. Nice light. Magnifying mirror is also lit. Amenities, you've got shower gel, shampoo. We didn't get conditioner, but our traveling companions did. We have bug repellent. Our traveling companions didn't get bug repellent. Various other, like the soap and whatnot there too, but very inconsistent with what they provide. Just to the left, behind the door, is a toilet. And to the right when you come in, nice big tub. We've never used it. There's a double shower, which is kind of nice. Controls on either side. But not much space to put any of your shampoos, conditioners, and soaps and stuff. And there's nothing on this side for that. I don't know if that's the same for all the rooms, but that's the way our room is. So I've been kind of placing shower gel and shampoo for me on this side, on that ledge. Just outside the bathroom is the first closet. Nice size. Spot for shoes, shelf, hangers for clothes. Extra blanket up top there, I believe. Just to the left of that, got a wine cooler and fridge. Standard items in the fridge. Wine cooler. Our butler put a bottle of champagne in there. First day, we haven't drank it yet. You get a coffee machine with coffees. Coffee, you've got various bold flavors to decaf, which is the green, to the milder flavors. Drink glasses, ice bucket. And to the left of that we have more closet space. Bottom shelf, drawer, hangers, shelf. Should mention over here under the coffee is the safe. From there we come into the bedroom. We got a king room. On each side of the bed you have controls for lights. There's even a little reading lamp here. Its own switch. It's adjustable, various positions. You have electrical outlet, USB outlet. You have the same on the other side of the bed. And over here you have the controls for AC. So for whatever reason, it's probably on a timer. Every time we come in, we always set it to 68 degrees. But when we come in to get ready for supper after a long day outside, it always increases to 71 degrees for some reason, 71.4 or whatever it was there. Same here, you got switches for lights, the fan, which is in an odd position. I don't know why they have it over the, let me just back out and show you where it is. I would have thought it'd be better to have it over the bed. I don't know, maybe that's just me, maybe I'm wrong. But it's over there, away from where you get most use out of it. And same, you have an electrical outlet and a USB outlet here as well. Telephone, notepad, pencil, couch, table and chairs. Nice big mirror here. Nice big screen TV. Cabinet, couple drawers. Cabinet in the middle. Suitcase rack, shoe rack. And that's pretty much it for the room. And of course you have a balcony. Okay, let's have a look at the balcony. The balcony has a nice big tub. Never used it. That's something we're interested in using. I guess some might. It's a pretty good sized balcony. Table and a couple chairs. And the view from our balcony is down towards the main pool, and to the right is the beach. And this is room 1311. So it's building 1, top floor, even though it's number 3. It's floors are labeled, or the rooms are numbered 1-0 for the bottom, 1-1 for the second floor, 1-2 for the third floor, and 1-3 for the fourth floor. Did I get that right? 1-0 for the bottom floor, which is 1, 1-1 for the second floor, 1-2 for the third floor, and 1-3 for the fourth floor. And now we're looking back towards into the resort. The lobby way back there on the left, which you can't see.